It's time to decorate a Christmas stocking cookie. Hello and welcome back to our channel, Enchanted Cakes by Yvette. I'm your host, Yvette Faruja. It's great to have you here, whether this is your first time joining us or if you've been following along from the start. You're in the right place for all things cake decorating to business tips. We discuss it all. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you keep up to date. Today we're going to be decorating our vanilla sugar cookie with deluxe buttercream piping. We will be using our signature buttercream and cookie recipes for this episode. You can find both of these complete tutorials for purchase on our website. Just pop on over to our Instagram page at Enchanted Cakes by Yvette and comment the words buttercream or cookies on any of our posts and we'll send you the direct link. Otherwise, you can also click on the link below. Now, for today's decorating, we have coloured our buttercream red, using both raspberry gel colour by Loyal and red as well. When we make our deep red colour, we like to colour the buttercream pink first, then add our red to it. For our little stocking, we have spread a small amount of white buttercream across the top, and then turned the cookie over and pressed it into some sprinkles in a bowl. This way it makes your sprinkles stick much easier than just pouring them over the top of your cookie. The sprinkles we are using are from Sprinks Baking, and like all other supplies used today, you can shop at Caker's Warehouse online and save 10% off your order by using the code Enchanted10. Now, using our beautiful red buttercream, we have filled our piping bag and attached a Loyal number 25 star tip. This is a small closed star tip. Starting just below the white buttercream, pipe small stars around the outside of the cookie, outlining its shape. Then keep going around and fill in the cookie with buttercream stars. It's a very small movement of squeeze and release on the piping bag to keep the stars nice and small and compact. Take your time with this and don't rush. Once you have finished piping, spray your cookie with some glitter for a gorgeous shimmer. We are using Vegas Gold edible glitter from Sweet Sticks. Now you can go and enjoy your cookie. Thanks for joining me today, and go ahead and share this episode with your friends or tag them below so they can watch too. Bye for now and happy decorating.